Payment of zakah in kind. Can we pay the zakah other than cash? According to National Zakah Foundation, United Kingdom, Hanafi school, it is permissible to give zakah in forms other than cash, provided that the value of the item is equal to the amount of zakat that person would have to pay. This is NCF's position 2. Maliki, you need to pay zakah in cash only. Shafai, the Shafais are of the same opinion. However, some of their contemporary scholars from the Fatwa Department of Jordan have allowed people to follow the Hanafi ruling when there is a greater need to give an item besides cash as zakat. Hanbali, Sheikhul Islam Ibn Taymiyyah rahmatullah alayh of the Hanbali school also allows zakah to be paid in such a manner, except in circumstances when there is a need for an interest to be served and to achieve fairness.